Hello everyone. Let's learn yet another quick and an easy veg recipe today. It's a veg starter or a snack as you call it. Veg forminas or veg canapes. Loved by all the kids and can be served as a tea time snack. It is nutritious and can be prepared with minimum ingredients. The ingredients that are needed: 2 finely chopped potatoes, 2 finely chopped carrots. Potatoes and carrots should be square shaped. 1 big ball of green peas. You can take frozen peas or freshly available ones. Salt, pepper powder, mayonnaise. So let's start the preparation. Boil around 3 to 4 glasses of water. After the water has been boiled properly, add around 2 tablespoons of salt. Put chopped potatoes into the boiling water, followed by chopped carrots. Cover the vessel with lid and allow the potatoes and carrots to cook properly. After around 10 minutes, potatoes and carrots are almost cooked properly. At this time, we will put our green peas. I have taken market available frozen peas. Peas get cooked very fast and easily, therefore we have put it last. After around 5 minutes, when everything is cooked well, we will drain off the water and put the vegetables in a bowl. We will put pepper powder. Pepper powder enhances the taste of the entire preparation. We shall put mayonnaise now, around 2 tablespoons. Stir everything together well like this. So our stuffing is ready. We shall put the stuffing in the canapes now. These canapes are readily available in the market. For garnishing, we have used the coriander leaves. Isn't that a quick and an easy one? Try these veg forminas and do let me know how it tastes in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video. To subscribe my channel, hit the red colored subscribe button. It is absolutely free. To get the latest notifications, hit the bell button.